Hey viewers, this is Random Stuff with Alex Hughes, and today I'm going to talk about computers. So, here we have the usual, like we're going to talk about keyboards today, or I'm going to talk about keyboards. And so, wait a minute, sorry, I got to take care of something before I start the video. Oh, this is a new video, right? It's time to screw with him. This is a prank call talking about some keyboard stuff. Let's mess around with a nerd. Yeah. So I got this really old keyboard he probably doesn't even know a thing about. Take out this new one, right? He doesn't need this. He doesn't need this one. Get the cord out of here. Doesn't need this. Let's see if we can use this old piece of junk. Yeah. Put it right here. This weird looking thing. Put this stuff right here. I'm out. I gotta get out. Hey, sorry viewers. I didn't want to keep you guys waiting. What the heck happened to my keyboard? What is that thing? You guys see this thing? What is this? And this weird looking thing? What happened to my computer? I think someone messed with me while I was gone. I think it was... Wait a minute, I know who messed with me. I didn't get it. Hey, viewers, wait here. I'm gonna get him. Make sure to watch the montage. Get his son of... If you came here to seek computers and history, well, you found the right place. What's it gonna end to? 'Cause it's computer history with Alex Hughes. Well, I got that punk taken care of. I can't believe he stole my keyboard. Well, I found my keyboard. I also found a whole bunch of other keyboards too. I took his, he took mine. So, the keyboard that he gave me was very weird, I have to say. I decided to check it out, along with the other keyboards that he gave me, right? So, here's the keyboard. And it seems to be pretty old. Definitely pretty old. I mean, look at the way it looks. I mean, you got the gray and the way it's set up too. I think it looks like it's missing some things. It looks more simpler, and all the F keys are right here rather than at the top, which is very different. I think the weirdest thing, this is probably from, I think this is from like the 80s or something like that. Caps lock? What the? Why would caps lock be at the bottom instead of the side here? That's kind of weird. I mean, I guess if you, like, caps lock, I feel like I wouldn't be able to get used to that, though. And then you have backspace and whatever return is. I mean, return. That's kind of weird. I guess, yeah, back then I guess they didn't have like the X at the side of the screen because that came later with the GUI type systems. And then zeros down here. Wait a minute. Control, Alt, where's the delete button? There's no Control, Alt, Delete. I guess they left that out. And I actually just noticed something right now. It says break. It says, oh sorry, it's kind of blurry, but it says break. Man, I'd get so angry I'd probably break this thing from the way it is. The weirdest thing is, the very weird thing right here, is this cord. I mean, it's absolutely ridiculous. I mean, I guess it's adjustable compared with like the new cords or the newer ones which are straight. But this looks like spaghetti. Here's your spaghetti, sir. Wait a minute, this isn't my spaghetti. I ordered spaghetti, not a freaking computer string. And our keyboard? What is this? You better put this back. Oh yeah, I'll take it right away. See, that was what I was talking about. Anybody could think that's like a freaking piece of spaghetti. I mean, you look at it and it's like all coily and stuff. That looks like pasta right there. And for the next keyboard I'm going to pick out, this keyboard here looks like the modern equivalent of what we have nowadays. It's more modern than the keyboard that was over there. You have the function keys, the escape key, the tabs. You have this missing one right here. That's a weird noise. It could be like in a horror movie. It's creepy. Backspace? Wait a minute. Backspace literally has a space in between it. That's ironic, right? I think the other keyboards... Oh my god. I think there's a typo on this keyboard. Looks like a typo. Back backspace, and the usual keyboard that you have nowadays just has one thing, compound word. I guess it's a separate word right here. What else do I notice about this? Oh, there's the break key again. I don't think that's on the modern ones. But yeah, everything actually looks pretty similar. I'm not really sure what this would be like equivalent to, what it would belong to. But maybe 90s? I think it might be a 90s one. Yeah, but I'm missing one. I'll just put some paper over it. I have this piece of paper, I'm just going to put it over so that way I know what letter. I can actually customize it. That would be cool, customizable keys. Let's see, let's put a K right there. It's hard with... Okay, there's a K. I'm pretty sure this is the K key. Just put that over and it fixes it right away. It doesn't stick out at all. It's like... Yeah, I'd have to tape it in there, but it's a DIY trick, right? Another thing I'd like to mention is how heavy this thing is. Gosh, and how large it is compared with like the new keyboards. I mean, this looks like a landing strip. Sir, we're about to land the plane. Where should we land? On this keyboard right here. It's actually a pretty good runway. See, that's what I mean when it's like, it's so big I could land a plane on it. Well, not a real plane, but like, you know, a toy plane. It's humongous. So on to the next keyboard, which is, we're hitting the modern age right here, the 2000s. That's, okay. Here's the keyboard. So these are the last two keyboards. These are like of the modern age, the 2000s. This one's from like the early 2000s, and this one's from like, you know, the mid 2000s. The really thing, they're basically the same keyboards, same shape, because they're made by like the same company. And so it has all the key functions that are similar, and there's no more gray anymore. And then there's the addition of these keys, the specialty keys, so to speak. Everything is basically the same, except, you know, it's better. I mean, break has its own key now with pause. Sounds like I'm watching a movie right here, but yeah. And then we got this one's awesome because it has all these cool little functions. So I guess you don't have to click on the sounds button. You can just like go like this. So it's pretty convenient, but you don't want to do it too much because it gets really loud quick. And so you have some specialty keys here, right to the internet, right to the search function. And those are like the modern keys. So I hope you guys learned something today about keyboards. These are the modern ones and stuff. It was kind of cool to look back at the old ones. It's not like I don't like the old ones. I just it's hard to believe what they looked like before, but it's really cool to see like the older computers. I really like appreciate what the computers were like before. And so today's episode was about like computers, keyboards and stuff, but I think next episode will be about computer monitors and how they've changed, because they've changed a lot. And so I'll be showing you that next time. And I hope you guys liked the show today. I wanted to make the show a little bit more kind of interesting than last time, because last time was just, you know, straightforward with showing the keyboards. I kind of wanted to like add some more, you know, like acting and a little more, you know, just random stuff. That's my channel, right? So I hope you guys liked the episode and what I was trying to do, and like the video, subscribe to my channel. You can check me out on Facebook, Google+. I hope you guys liked the video, and see you for next time.